Hope you're having a great start to 2022. If you've been following news in the mortgage world, you probably know that yes, interest rates are on the forefront. We've seen some of the largest price worsening or movement in interest rates in recent history, but don't despair, things are still great. If you're buying a home right now, you probably already know that mortgage rates will differ from borrower to borrower, depending on FICO score, specific loan programs, down payment amounts, and other criteria. But a good way to look at it is taking a look back in time and checking out historical mortgage rates. This week's total cost analysis is a quick look at average mortgage interest rates from 1990 versus 2000 versus 2010 to today using Freddie Mac's weekly survey as the source. And what we're looking at is comparing a $600,000 purchase with a $480,000 loan amount or a 20% down payment. Well, back in 1990, the average mortgage rate for that scenario was 10.13%, giving a payment of $4,921. In 2000, the average rate was 8%. In 2010, 4.6%. And today, rates are sitting for most borrowers, good credit, around 3.625%. Well, 3.625% is a fantastic rate, but no, it's not the stuff we saw last year and the year before. But a really good way to put perspective on this or to take a look at it is when you look at the payments, that 1990 buyer was paying $2,000 more a month for the same purchase price and loan amount than the buyer today. That is crazy. And looking at it over 5 years, the same loan, same buyer, same credit score, today's loan at the 3.625 rate versus the 1990 10.3 would be $157,000 less interest savings over 5 years. And what's really, really phenomenal or kind of crazy to look at is the person that took out that $480,000 loan back in 1990 would pay over $1 million in interest over the life of the loan. That same loan today is a little over $300,000. So there's a $700,000 savings. So one thing to take into perspective with rates, yes, they're moving right now. Yes, they're higher than they were a week ago, 3 weeks ago, 6 months ago for sure, but they're still at fantastic levels. It is still a fantastic time to purchase a home. I'm expecting a really strong spring market. Let's just hope that the home sellers come out and put their houses on the market so we have some inventory to work with. As always, with a total cost analysis, we take a look at not just interest rate, payment, cash to close, but when you dig in and click on the more info button, you'll see a detailed payment breakdown. The closing cost tab gives us a summary of closing costs, and the fee detail link gives us an itemization line by line of estimated fees. If you would like a total cost analysis for a specific purchase or refinance scenario today, please give me a shout, and I hope you have a great weekend.